What's up everyone, and welcome back to another fun week of All Around Beauty 411. And in today's video, well, I'm sure guessing by the title, the video says we're going to be doing a nice burnt orange tutorial, and I'm super excited to show you guys how to get this look right here. It is super neutral, and it's also something that you could wear in the fall. So if you want to know how to get this look right here, please keep on watching. Also, don't forget to hit that nice big thumbs up button, and while you're at it, go ahead and share with your friends. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I'm going to go in with the Morphe 350 palette. And since this is kind of like a burnt orange look, I'm going to go ahead and mix these two colors right here as a nice base. And then I'm going to go ahead and dip into this color right here for a nice transition color, but then still go ahead and blend it into the base. So let's go ahead and get started. So now that I have that nice orange going on, it's time to add that like burnt effect. So I'm going to be taking the orange now and mixing it with this nice brown. I kind of want to mix it with a black, but we're going to go in with a nice gradient. So I'll be mixing this color with a black soon. But as of now, I'm going to put this in the crease. So I'm going to take this burnt orange color and this brown and mix it into the crease. So let's go ahead and get started. Have that nice orange smoked out look going. I'm going to go ahead and the Morphe Dare to Dream palette, and it is the 39A. And I'm going to be using the black that comes in this palette. And I'm going to use it just to kind of smoke out the eye. Not too much, just enough to give it that nice dramatic effect. Because who doesn't like a little drama in their life? So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to give it a nice cut crease using the Nars Creamy Concealer. So I'm going to use this to give me a nice cut crease. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and reinforce the colors that I used, from transitioning shade to crease color to the outer corner of my eye color. So let's go ahead and get started. You're like, wow, you look completely different since the last time you went off camera. So I went ahead and added some lashes and put on my foundation, and I used the HudaBeauty foundation. So now I'm gonna go ahead and carve out my face using the Nars Creamy Concealer. This is like my favorite concealer. I'm sorry guys, I will use other concealers like Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, but this is like my favorite concealer, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so time to go ahead and blend out. Also, low-key, what if I was like, alright guys, this is the rest of the tutorial, huh? I'm just kidding. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out, so let's go ahead and get started. Now that I'm all blended out, I'm gonna go ahead and take the benign beige suede powder. Like I said, this is good for stage makeup and regular makeup. It works wonders. And I'm going to go in with the Pure Cosmetics Sculpting palette. And I'm going to be using, just so you guys know, I'm going to be using a Founder, which is the darkest shade in the palette. And I'm going to be using that to powder my contour areas. So I didn't carve my face using a liquid contour and then set it with powder. So this gives it a nice, more natural look. And I kind of like the natural look. So I know before in previous videos I would do the liquid contour and then set it with the powder, but powder contour works a lot better. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with both of them. guys, so while I bake my face, I'm going to go ahead and take care of the under eye. So I'm going to be applying two mascaras, which is the Tarte Mascara, and this is the Double Decker Mascara. I'm going to be applying the Tarte first, and then the Double Decker, and then I'm also going to take the colors that I use at the top and apply them very softly to the bottom. I don't want this look to turn into a smoky look. I still want to keep the burnt orange a thing. So let's go ahead and get started. So I definitely am loving how this look turned out. I love the eyes. I think it's very mysterious. Also, I like the colors. Looks really good. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Nars Blush. And this is my favorite blush. I'm sure you guys are tired of me using this blush, but you can never not use Nars Blush. Like, I love it. So let's go ahead and get started. So my favorite part of the look is applying the highlights. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Tarte Pro Glow Liquid Highlight, and this color is Sparkler. And then I'm going to take the Artist Couture Powder Highlight, and this color is Illuminating. And I'm going to be taking this and putting it on top of the Tarte Pro Glow, just to go ahead and give that extra glam look. So let's go ahead and get started. Baby, look at that highlight, guys. Like, it just looks amazing. I can't get over it. Alright guys, so I'm going to be doing a nude lip to go ahead and complete this look. So right here I have my three besties. So this is Chestnut, which is a lip pencil by MAC. And then I have this guy right here, which is by Adesse, New York. And it is their liquid lipstick in high definition. Ooh. And then on top of that, I'm going to be applying, of course, my FashionFare lip gloss. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, and this is pretty much the finishing look. And I love how it turned out. I love the highlight. Like, you can never have too much highlight. So I'm super excited for that. So if you like this video, don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And you know me, I post videos every Friday. Alright guys, and I'm out.